little cemetery around my house here. They got some pretty cool mausoleums on the other side over there. So I take a quick drive through. I got like an ancient Egyptian one across the road there. I see a little pyramid over on this side. I'm not sure what that's about, but take a look. Just check it out. This one's pretty awesome here. This is a whole house. I don't know how many family members are in that. Pretty cool though. Had to be really rich back in the day to have something like that. Gotta be really rich today, I guess, too, to have something like that. I don't know if this looks like another one too. Wow. It's closed up, I'm not sure exactly what that is. Still room for people to be buried in here though. It's been here since the early late 1700s. People are still getting buried in here. Brown. 2 big locks on it. Don't want nobody in there. Pretty nice though. Concrete. That's probably $1 million right there. That one's pretty cool too. So they bricked the door off. They didn't even let anybody come to visit inside. Guess if the last family member is buried in there, go ahead and break it up. Clark. Blodgett. I wonder if that's the Blodgett Hospital family. It's quite a good section of ground space there. Godfrey. People coming to visit people on this one. That's pretty cool. Still people allowed to visit. Wow, that's a giant rock. I'm gonna have to come back and do another video on this stuff. I just think this stuff is interesting. History. Just how old it is and the history of who's there. And most people are buried, you know, it's dead and forgotten. Unless you make a giant impact on the humanity of some sort, you're done. Once you're under that ground, you're forgotten. Yeah, I'm gonna have to come back and just do a little 1872, 1858. Big one up on the hill here too. Another Clark. I guess Mother Mary up there, somebody crying. Got the Bible. Stone. Utes. Alright. White. Actually, that's pretty cool there. Design of it.